friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI G2712 fast IPS gaming monitor. So friend, MSI introduced the G2712 27-inch planar gaming monitor with a fast IPS panel that offers 1 millisecond MPRT response time, 170Hz refresh rate and support for AMD FreeSync Premium, and the monitor offers Full HD 1080p resolution with 170Hz refresh rate requiring the DisplayPort 1.2a connection, and the only other connection is HDMI 1.4b, which limits the refresh rate to 120Hz and 250 cadmium per meter square maximum brightness. 1100 German steady contrast ratio make for the rest of the panel specification, and you get a handful of gamer-friendly features such as generous basic display presets. Though is this monitor really best suited for e-sport titles in the FPS or MOBA or RPG genres? So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.